Hello and welcome back guys. In this tutorial I'm gonna guide you how you can install and set up YourHour app in your Android smartphone so that you can reduce your screen time with very minimal effort. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open Play Store and search YourHour and hit enter and then click on this icon and then hit install. Then just wait for a moment, your app will be installed automatically. So after the installation process, you will find an option as open. Just click on it. It will launch your application. So here is the first look of your app. At the bottom, you will see a button which says let's get started. Just click on it. After that, choose your language. Here I'm continuing with English. After that, you just need to give permission so that this app can work super smooth. If you are hesitating while giving permission, all these deep-rooted permission, just don't worry. I personally installed this app in my personal phone. It never create any kind of trouble. So first permission which you have to give is usage permission. Just click on the give permission button. It will launch the settings. And at the bottom you will find your app and just click it and then just allow it by turning this button on. And after that, come back and click next or just swipe right. And here you have to give permission to draw over other apps. This is very mandatory permission if you really want to reduce your screen time. And after that, just enable sticky notification, so that whenever you increase or decrease brightness, toggle your Wi-Fi, toggle Bluetooth, you can see how much time spent on your smartphone. After that, just enable the floating timer. This is also a very cool feature in YourHour. And just enable this also app over usage alert. This will send you alert whenever you exceed the assigned usage limit for a particular application. After that, then you have to do set goals for your smartphone usage or screen time. Like here I'm using 45 minutes because I'm using around 1 to 1.5 hours. So this will be okay for me. Then select the apps which you want to monitor. Like my time is quite low from the average audience, so I am just deselecting the productive apps you can see, like the Upwork, freelancing stuff, the AZ screen recorder, or any app which is productive, which is necessary for my daily workflow. I'm just deselecting all of them. And after that, here you see time up. Like I set 45 minutes usage time and I used 59 minutes today. And here you can see my addiction level is at the 4-star, means I'm achiever, which means I am using 1 to 2.5 hours daily. So this is all. I hope this video is helpful to you. And there are some other cool features which we can explore in some future videos. Just comment down and I will explain each and every feature to you. And that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section and hit the like button, subscribe our channel for this kind of content, and I will see you in the next one.